My name is Jared Arnold, and I'm here today to show you my Engineering 122 design project. My design project's name is called the Perfect Temperature Fixer. It's not really a great name, but it fits the bill. So for my design, it's really just the Ardunio and a thermistor. And my idea is to make a way to tell you the perfect time you need to do to cook your food to the perfect temperature you want. So in my case, I have some Campbell's chicken noodle soup, and the good news is it already tells me the mass that I can plug into the heat transfer equation that I will show you later on in this video. So it's 305 grams, and right here I'm about to test the temperature. So I'm going to leave that in there for a little bit and let it equal out over here on my program. Alright, so we're going to let that sit for a few seconds. Right now it's reading the temperature and all the times, and it currently looks like it's around 196 seconds. So I will come over here, clean off my thermistor, make sure it's good, and I will take the soup and put it into our microwave, which has 1,350 watts. So we put that in there for the time. That was 3 minutes and 16 seconds. And we will now wait. Now in the meantime, I want to explain to you, well, program and basically the design. So my design, it's really not anything special to it. You got the thermistor and the thermistor circuit, which you got the power goes to this one, and then we got the resistor, and then it brings back to the ground. And then we'll come over here to my code, and we see that temperature's gone down because the soup, and we have right here is our equation for the time, for the time. And we have the mass, which we found was 306, so we put that up here. We have the specific heat, which is right around water area. And we have the optimal temperature, which I found from research for soup is about 150 degrees Fahrenheit or 65 degrees Celsius. And then you divide all that by the power of your microwave, which divided 1,350 divided by 60 gives you about 22.5. And then if you want to find the minutes, you take that and you divide that by 60. So that's really all that's to it. Alright, so we cut out and we went to the end of the cooking of the soup. So I'm about to take it out and test the temperature that it is at. Now that we got it out, I'm gonna use a thermostat to check the temperature of the soup, and as you can see, slowly going up. Sorry for my shakiness. Up to almost 140. Let's see, still going up. It's right around 150. Might have cooled off a little bit between the time we poured it out of the microwave, which, yeah, right around 150. So yeah, it seems to have worked. I will taste test it, of course. Make sure it's good eating temperature. And I would say that's fairly good. Good temperature. So I will finish that after the video.